Hello everyone, in this video we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on this trigonometric identities. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question asked what is the value of this expression. First we write this expression clearly. Root 3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree over cosec 20 cos 40 cos 60 cos 80 degree. So if you carefully observe the denominator, one beautiful pattern are followed, that is root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20. As usual we write cos 20 cos 40 and cos 80, after that cos 60. So it can be written as cos 20 cos 60 minus 20 then cos 60 plus 20. This term we can write in this way. So we know that one formula given that we can write as a note cos x cos of 60 minus x and cos of 60 plus x is equal to 1 over 4 cos of 3x. So we use this formula here, that is actually here. It is easy to prove when we break first cos of 60 minus x into cos of 60 plus x. After that we multiply by cos of x, then we again break this function, then we will get 1 over 4 cos of 3x. Therefore we use this formula here. So root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 over this term we can write 1 over 4 cos of 3x, that is x is 20, and therefore we can write 1 over 4 cos of 3 times 20 degree into remaining term is 60 degree, so cos of 60 degree, cos of 60 degree. So denominator is sorted out. So root 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 over 1 over 4, that is 4 here, that is cos 60, that is cos 60, so cos 60 square. So next we put this cos 60 value. Now we break the numerator term, so cosec and sec, so we break these two term in sine and cos. So therefore we can write 4 times root 3 1 over sine 20 minus 1 over cos 20 over cos 60 value. Cos 60 value is 1 over 2 wholes. Therefore that is 1 over 4, that is 4 cross 4 multiply by, that is we LCM here. So we got root 3 cos 20 minus sine 20 over sine 20 cos 20. Therefore that is 16 into root 3. So we adjust here 2, so we multiply here 2 also. Cos 20 minus 1 over 2 sine 20 over sine 20 cos 20. Therefore we can write it 32 times, that is we multiply here 2, so 2 here, so that is sine 20 cos 20, because we convert this term to sine 2 theta, that is sine 40. Here root 3 by 3 is value is sine 60 and cos 20 minus cos 60 sine 20, because we apply the formula of sine of a minus b here. Therefore this is 64 multiply by here sine 60 degree minus 20 degree and over 2 sine 20 cos 20, that means sine of 2 times 20, that is 40 degree. Therefore 64 times sine 60 minus 20, that is 40, that is 40 degree over sine 40 degree. These two terms are cancelled, therefore we got 64. So this is the answer of this problem, and this is the one of the option, that is the third option is the correct answer. Therefore the overall the questions we use one important formula, that is the cos of x cos of 60 minus x cos of 60 plus x is equal to 1 over 4 cos of 3x. If we remember this identity, it is easy to prove. Otherwise it is you solve when you break individually, then we got these terms. So it is little bit time taking problem. So if you remember this identity, then it reduce your time. Then we break the numerator term in sine and cosine form. Then we got the answer of this expression is 64. So this is our answer.